Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We remain in negative MACD and we're slightly off of oversold levels with the RSI. We bounce right off the 200 moving average, this green line, which is acting as our temporary support at the price of $1,909. As we extend out to the 4 hour chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD but approaching to negative MACD territory. And once more, we're resting right along the 50 moving average, this yellow line at the price of $1,912. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and we're off of overbought levels with the RSI. As for resistance, that'll be where we encountered the highs and resistance in the past back in November 9th and as well as January 6th, and that is around the price of $1,962. And as for support, that'll be where we have the 18-day moving average, this purple line, at a price of $1,887. If we were to test that support, that price movement to the downside is roughly around 1.4%, and to test resistance, that is around 2.4% to the upside. As for the trade idea of the week, I'll be trading GLD, and for my position size, that is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $176.75, and that is this range here, and that coincides with the 18-day moving average, this purple line. My sell target for it is at $180.67, and my stop loss is at $175.80. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $182.65, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $177.73, and my stop loss is at $183.64. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model, which is available in the link below. So do check it out. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, we have a 33% chance for gold futures to climb between 0 to 1.6%. As for downside, we have a 33% chance to fall between 0 to negative 1.6%. In further extreme case to the downside, a 33% chance to fall between negative 1.6% to negative 3.3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.